water systems on the van. What we have here, we have our filler point and our fill-up point. This caravan has 2 water tanks on, plus the grey, so we go right through the whole system. Now, if you've added more tanks, you will have different fillers as we go along. So if you added 1 extra tank, you're going to have another filler. If it's in front of the axle, if it's behind the axle, you have another filler there with the other one. Okay, so this one is just your standard 200 litre tanks. Now, how these work, how do we fill these tanks up? Right, we grab our keys. There's a lot of keys, isn't there? We do minimize them by the time you pick your van up, don't worry. So you don't have to worry about that. As we come here, you can see it goes in nice. We turn it, and now that's in the unlocked position. Do you see the difference there? In the unlocked position, you can't move it. In the locked position, it will keep spinning freely. It will not come out. So, in the unlocked position, key turns, comes out. One important thing to note, never pull that key out. Leave it in there. Okay? When we pull it out, it stuffs the barrel up in there. So what we want to do, in the unlocked, never pull the key out. You can pull it out fine in the locked position. It's just how these caps work. So what we do, put it in. Hang on. After learning how to use it, push it in, lock it, like so. And now that's all safe and secure. No one can put any contaminants in there, whatever that is. So we come back further here. We will now see our water pump. So our water pump's down here. All of our water pumps are external. Sometimes you add another pump in to the system. So you might have another tank that's a drinking tank, and then you put another pump to pull water out of that one. Now, what you'll find with that is there'll be another switch inside to turn the pump on. So we'll go through that in a second of how we turn this pump on. But what we have here is 2 tanks. That's the front tank, that's the rear tank. So right now, in that position they're at, they're both going to draw. Okay? So what that means is we're going to pull them down equally. Now, for weight distribution and things like that, you're not going to want to just pull one tank down. All right? So what we want, let's just say we've got quite a heavy bull weight and we want to lighten the load a bit. We're going to turn the rear tank off. That's in the off position. That's in the on position, so the front tank's going to keep sucking water. Okay, while the rear tank's not going to suck any water now. Right, there's one important note to have here. Once that front tank is empty, we need to swap. We need to turn the rear one on and turn the front one off. The reason we do that is otherwise we're just going to suck up air and the pump's just going to run and run and run and run. All right, so make sure if we are using one tank or the other, you do turn that off. Now, this is only for free camping, okay? When you're at a caravan park, you're going to get your hose, you're going to plug it straight onto here. Turn the pressure on, and all the taps, everything's going to work normally, and you have the pump off. So it's important we take that in, all right? The pump is off when we're using mains. When we're free camping, we use the pump. Now, what you have here is this is a pressure limiting valve, meaning it's going to limit the pressure. Now, what happens is with your hose, you plug it onto that. Say there's a bit of dirt in it. It's going to go in there. It's going to get stuck in that valve, and then we can have issues down the track with that. So it's important that before we plug any hose on here, we know it's clean, and then you can plug it in and off you go. Pressurize it. That's all you need to do. I'll close that back up. The other thing down here is this is how we drain the tank. All right. So again, you can see the water come out of there. That will now drain the rear fresh tank. Okay, that's how we drain our tanks. Each tank will have one of them on it. The other thing to just come back a touch with is on an Excalibur, a cross-country, Gladiators, they all have these taps on the chassis. Now, it's something you may have added onto your Musketeer or your Life Changer. What these do is these are called a main fill. Okay? What it is, yeah, it makes you fill up the tanks without using the parts on the side of the van. So if we come back here, if you can see this, you plug your mains pressure on there. We turn that on. You hear the pump come on there now because we're actually moving water around now. But I'm going to turn that off or it's going to overfill the tank. But if we have that on, that's going to fill up the tank without having to be plugged in. So we're plugged into mains, pressure on, turn that valve on, it's going to fill up that tank. So rear tank, front tank. Can you see that? Yeah, rear, front. So when they're full, they're going to overflow from the same overflows as if you filled up on the side of the van. That is our fresh water.